Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be removing some names from a set. So let's create our little set, shall we? Names. I'm going to populate it with a few names. Dave, let's say Joe, and Phil. Right, so now we're going to create a function to remove these names. And we're going to call it remove names to make it very readable. So anybody who comes along and looks at our code will know what this is all about. So I'm going to create name is equal to input and simply enter name to remove. Okay, so the name to remove goes in there. So if name in names, so if the name is in the names set, we're going to do something. So that's going to be names dot remove. So we're going to remove the name that was entered into the input. And then we're going to print some output to the user to tell the user what's going on. So that's going to be name has been removed. Name has been removed, and then we're going to print out the set so we can see that the name has actually been removed. So we're going to print out the set, which is called names. Let's have a look. Print names, and now we're going to create another function called no, actually we're not going to create another function. We're going to go back up to the top to give the user the opportunity to remove more names. So this will take us back up to the top and back up to the user input again. Now we're going to create an elif condition here. So elif, let's say the length of names, the length of the names here is less than or equal to 0. So basically, if there's no names in there, we're going to say print a message to the user telling the user set is empty. And the else statement here is going to be the catch-all. So print, let's say for example, name not found. Okay, and then we're going to go back to the remove names again. So the user can continue to input names into there. Okay, that's just about everything. All we've got to do now is call the function, and we're going to call the function by calling remove names. Okay, there we go. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to save it like that, and we're going to run the program. Okay, so let's have a look. Enter a name to remove. So let's remove Dave. Okay, so it says here name has been removed, so we've got 2 names left in the set. And enter another name, Phil. Okay, 1 name left in there, and then I'm going to enter Joe. Okay, let's try another one, Bill. Okay, so it's returned that set is empty now. Okay, let's just try this a different way. Let's just run this. Okay, let's type in a name that isn't in there. So I'm going to type in Paul, because Paul's not in the set. Okay, there we go. Name not found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.